Hello everyone, am I clearly audible to all of you and is the screen visible? Please confirm in the chat box. I hope the screen is visible clearly. Please write in the chat box, the live chat is going on, whether the screen is visible and I am clearly audible to everyone. Yes, yes. Hmm. Yeah. Please write it there. I have opened my other device too for just the audio check. Others also please confirm. Alright. Okay. Yes, everyone. Please confirm if I'm clearly audible to all of you. Audible? Okay, 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 okay. Thank you everyone for confirming and welcome back to Tuition Masters Class 6 to 8th YouTube channel. And today we are here with our next session for your mathematics, that is exponents and powers. So this is a new chapter, okay, and this is the first session. This is session number 1 for the same, all right, and this chapter it is coming in your next exam also. So exponents and powers we are going to study, okay. In one or two more lectures we are going to complete this whole chapter, okay. Exponents and power, it's very important chapter because even next year in your 8th standard also you are going to study the same chapter once more. In ninth also it is there, okay. So that's why it's important to study exponents and power. So yes, tell me everyone, how is everything going? I hope all of you are fine. Yes, tell me in the chat box. I hope everyone is fine over here, no problems, and I hope you guys are preparing well for your exams also, right? Yes, yes, tell me. Yeah. Yes, right in the chat box. So before starting, we can just quickly interact whether you have any doubt, or like this thing and all, right. Yes, Deepa says yes. Very good, good to hear it. Nice. So I hope everyone are absolutely doing very well, isn't it? So let's start with the today's session. Okay, let's start with the today's session. Okay. So okay, Rajasekri, fine. All right. So let's start with exponents and power session number 1. Easy. Few topics which are little bit tricky. I'm going to revise it for you again and again. So do not worry. Okay. So what are we going to study in the today's session? Let's see. First one, we the whole chapter includes 3 subtopics. Introducing what is the meaning of exponents, then laws of exponents, and expressing large numbers in standard form. These are the 3 topics which are there in the whole chapter. Okay, so laws of exponents you're going to do in the next session, and large numbers, how to write it in standard form. These are the upcoming topics. In a today's session, we are going to learn about introducing exponents. How do we write a number in exponential form, right? And even at the end, we are going to do a Menti quiz also. So as you guys know, every class we do a Menti quiz at the end. So yes, today also we do have a Menti quiz. And all of you, my old students, know that how you have to reply whatever questions are coming, what I'm explaining. So make sure to say yes, understood, clear, not understood, whatever queries you have. Keep the live chat running. Okay, it shouldn't stop. Right, keep on chatting your doubts. Yes, no, okay, right, okay. All of that you have to do it, okay. So let's start with the first topic of today, that is introducing exponents. Now students, we have seen a lot examples in real life where we need very large or very small numbers, some objects which are very 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 big, we have to use very big numbers, and some things are very 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 small, that also we need very small numbers to represent. Can you give me one example of a very large thing? Okay, some real life example of large, large numbers. Can you give me an example? Which is such kind of object or something which we have to represent in large number, like the size of it or the weight of it? What can be an example of large number? Tell me. Large numbers, there can be many large numbers, but I'm trying to ask which one would be the an example. For example, we can take sun, isn't it? Sun, it is so huge. Sun, or there are such huge planets, right? So they need very large numbers. For example, 75210000000. It is such a big number, isn't it? Yes, correct, Deepa. Weight of Earth. Yeah, weight of Earth, diameter of the Earth, weight of the Sun. It is so big numbers. We cannot represent smaller numbers, right? So let me show you some examples. First one, speed of light. Light chapter you all have studied it. You know that speed of light is very high. Correct. It's not like if whenever you turn on a torch, also the light immediately runs, right? Anyone of you know what is the speed of light? Yes. Anyone knows here what is the speed of light? Yes, please tell me. Can anyone tell me what is the speed of light? That is a common thing if you have, studied for Olympiads and foundation and everything. So tell me, do you all know what is the speed of light? And like in numbers, what is it? So basically, light is very fast. Light is nothing but is a form of energy, right? We all know that. It is very fast. It moves super fast, isn't it? It's not like 1 meter per second, 2 meter per second. No, it moves very, very, very fast. So if you want to see the speed of light, that is actually 3 0 0 0 0 0. You can understand so many zero. How many zero? Let's try to calculate. Okay, let's calculate it in a number system. How many zeros are one? Let's calculate the zeros. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 zeros. So 3 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now if I write it in number system, 3, then 3, how much it is? 300 million meter per second. Okay, that means light can travel 300 million meters in just 1 second. That's the speed of light. But while we are doing calculations, we cannot write 3 0 0 0 0. We cannot do that way. We need an easier way. So we write it in the form of 3 into 10 raised to 8. Correct. So can we write this in a simpler form? Yes, obviously, yes, we can write it. So we can write the speed of light as 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this value, this 300 million is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to 8. Okay. So that is what. How do we write it? That I'm going to explain you in the next session. Okay. Another example, number of cells in the human body. In our human body we have so many cells, isn't it? Our human body is made up of how many cells? Three, three. You can know once. This is how much tens, hundreds. It is approximately 300, 372 billions of cells are there in our body. We cannot write that such big value. So again, can we write in a simpler form? Yes, we can write it. So we write in the form of 3.72 into 10 raised to 11. Okay, whenever this upper wala power, that is the exponent, right? When that is positive means very large number. Okay, but what if it is negative? So let's see another example. Size of lactobacillus bacteria. Okay, there's a bacteria, microorganism, germs, and all, right. They are very, very small. We cannot see them also clearly. We have to use microscope. They're so small. So lactobacillus bacteria is such one bacteria which helps us to make code. Now, if I tell you the size of it, the size is approximately 5 divided by 3 3. 5 divided by 1 million. That is so small. So now how can I write it in easier way? I can write it in the form of 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now, whenever there is a minus 6 means the object is very small. Very small things we write the power negative. Very big things we write the power as positive. Okay, everyone clear? In the chat box, everyone clear why we use the exponents and everything? Let me, yes, yes, no, no, tell me. So here you see speed of light 3 into 8, 3 into 10 raised to 8. Cells 3.7 into 10 raised to 11. Size of bacteria 0.5 to 10 raised to 6, right? So now we have to understand in this chapter how do we represent these things in detail. Okay, everyone. Okay, okay, very good, Deepa. Others also reply. Everyone clear or not? Okay. Now, look over here. Now I want you guys to tell me in the chat box what is the value of this. 2 into 2 into 2. What is the value? What is the answer for it? Is it 8 or is it 6? In the chat box, everyone, tell me what is the value of this number? Uh, 2 into 2 into 2. What is the value of this number? Tell me. It's easy, right? Just simple multiplication. Try to do some multiplication and you'll get the answer. Try to do it. 2 into 2 into 2. What could be the possible answer to this? Think about it. Easy question, right? It's easy. Tell me in the chat box. Hmm. Yeah, Deepa says 8, yes, correct. Rajasekri says 8, yes. Then Dragon, okay, Kevin says 8, yes, correct. Very good, you guys are correct. You guys are correct. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 is 8. So yes, 8 is the correct answer. Now I want you guys to tell me how many 2's are there. 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's can you see? Can you count and tell me how many 2's are? This is easy question. This you can do on your own, right? There's nothing to be worried about. So tell me, how many 2 are present in this problem? 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's are there? Yes, Kevin, you're correct. Just wait for one moment. Yes, Deepa correct. 3. So yes, we can see why am I asking this question. It's a simple question. Anyone can count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 2's in the problem. Now, the correct answer you guys gave, it's 3. No, yes, correct. So, we can write 2 into 2 into 2. It can even be written in the form of 2 raised to 3. Right, Deepa, Kevin, you guys wrote it, right? So 2, write 2 here, and about 2 you will write 3. Okay, that is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, that becomes 2 raised to 3, or we can even say 2 cube. Okay, now look over here. We have one exponent given, 2 raised to 5. Okay, 2 raised to 5. If you look over 2, 2 is known as the base number. It is known as the base number. Why? Because it is normally written, and above that we write the some other number. So this 2 is known as the base. Yes, Deepa, correct. 2 is the base. Now, second is the 5 which is above. 5 is known as the power. Okay. Yes, correct. Again, yeah, very good, Deepa. 5 is known as the power. It is even known as the exponent. Okay. It's even known as indice. Okay. Indices or index. Okay. It is also known as that also. So that is what is the configuration, you can say. If I have any number 2 and 2 raised to 5, you read it as 2 raised to 5. 2 is the base, 5 is the power or exponent, anything you can say. How do I read it? 2 5, I'll say? No. Yes, Kevin. Okay, fine. No need to calculate that. It's fine. We'll learn the calculations ahead. Okay. Now, 2 to the power of 5, you can say. You can even say 2 raised to 5. Okay, both of them are correct. 2 to the power of 5, 2 raised to 5. All of them are same. So you can write, you can say it anyway. All right. Now, look over here. If we multiply the same number, let's say I have one random number a. If I multiply the same number two times, means a into a, I will write it as a square. Okay, means 2a I'm having, so I'll write a as the base, and at 2a are there, right? So that 2 I will write in the exponent. Clear? Similarly, if I have 3, a into a into a into a into a, so what will happen? A into a into means how many a's are there? 1a, 2a, 3a. So I will write it as a raised to 3. Correct? Similarly, if I have 10 times, okay, 10 times a into a till 10 times I'm multiplying a, so it will become a raised to 10. Alright, and similarly, if n number of times I multiply, n number of times, so it will be a raised to n. So that is how you have to write the exponents. Okay, yes, correct. A cube, yeah. Correct. A raised to 3 is also known as a cube. Now I'm going to explain that only. Okay. So here A is called the base, and all this power, this 2, 3, then 10, then this n, all of these are the power or exponent or index. You can say it anything. Alright. Now, some powers, okay, not some, I will say only two powers. There are two powers which have special name. Okay, that is the power of 2 and power of 3. Power of 2 is known as square. Like if I have 2 raised to 2, that is 2 square. 5 raised to 2, 5 square. Then 10 raised to 2, 10 square. A 200 raised to 2, 200 square. So you can even say square. And next one is 3. As you said, Deepa, if anything raised to 3, that power 3 is even known as cube. For example, 2 cube, 5 cube, 101 cube. Right, whenever there is a 3 above, you can even say 5 raised to 3, or you can even say 5 cube, doesn't matter. So these are only the two powers which have a special name, square and cube. In your 8th standard, you are going to study, there are two chapters, square and square roots and cube roots, that you are going to study. All right, now let's solve some question. Everybody ready for solving some questions? We have almost completed half of the thing for today. Everyone ready to solve some questions? Yes, tell me in the chat box. Shall we solve some questions? You guys are going to answer that to me in the chat box, the answer to these questions. Okay, so let's see the first question. Question number 1 says, find the value of 11 square or 11 raised to 2. Find out the answer. If you have a raised to a square, so that means it is a into a. If I have 2 square, that means 2 into 2. So that means 11 square will be what? 11 into 11. So find out and tell me. Yes, okay, Deepa, okay, Kevin. Try to find the answer. Tell me what will be the answer for this. 11 square. Okay, Deepa says 121. Okay, Deepa says 121. What about others? Everyone have the same answer or different answer we have here? What is 11 into 11? Now 11 square, if it gets confusing for you, you can just simple do multiplication, right? 11 into 11. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, correct? Then here comes a 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Add them, 1, 2, 1. So yes, Deepa, Kevin, Nilesh, all of you guys are correct. The answer is 121. So 11 square is nothing 121. Very good. Next question. Simplify this. Okay, simplify this. 2 cube into 5. Okay, this is an easy question. Okay, it's easy, but still, if you guys want, I'll give you a little bit time. Okay, a little bit time I'll give you. Okay, 2 cube into 5. What can you do first? Find the value of 2 cube. Okay, find the value of 2 cube, and then after finding the value of 2 cube, multiply that with 5. You will get the answer. Okay, try to do this question. I'm going to give you guys 1 minute for this. Not 1 minute, 1 minute is more. Let's give okay. Yes, see, okay, 30 seconds I'll give. 30 seconds. Okay, let me put a timer for you guys. Wait. Uh, let's put a timer. 30 seconds timer. 30-second timer. Let's just do. Okay, let's start. Okay, timer is at 30 seconds. I'm giving to all of you guys. I've got many answers, but still, if anyone else is remaining, we'll do it. Kevin said 40. Deepa said 40. Yuvraj also said 40. Yes, by the way, hello Yuvraj, saw you after a long time, right? Yeah. Then Nilesh also says 40. So yes, I guess everyone gave, all of you gave the right answer over here. That is 40. Okay, 40 is the right answer, and we have our timer up. Okay, so let's come back. So here you see what is 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2. That is 8. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Then 8 into 5 is 40. Okay, so 40 is your right answer. Very good, guys. Okay, next question. Now look over here. What should we do? Yes, Yuvraj, correct. What should we do if the base is negative? If I have now we were doing like 2 cube, What if I have minus 2 cube? If I have minus 2 cube, then what will I do? Nothing. You will just apply the same step. You will do minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. But the question comes, what will be the sign of the answer? Negative or positive? Okay. So let's look over here. As per a given in the question, they said that minus 1 into minus 1. You have studied in integers, minus into minus is plus, correct? Minus into minus is plus, so this becomes plus 1. All right, multiplied by minus 1, so again it will become minus 1 because plus into minus is minus, so minus 1 again into minus 1, that gives me positive 1. Yes, you guys gave the correct answer. The answer is positive 1. Okay, now look over, so here you see answer comes as 1. Now look here. So we saw that minus 1 raised to 4 is equals to 1. But what is the 4? 4 is a even number. Correct? 4 is a even number. Right? Alright. Let's see one more example. If I have minus 1 raised to any odd number, for example, minus 1 raised to 3, I will get the answer as negative. Why? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, right? This becomes positive 1, this becomes negative 1, so answer is negative. So whenever you have a negative number in the base, any negative number in the base, power is even, answer will be positive. Clear? But in the base anything is negative, but the power is an odd number, so I will get negative answer. Okay, clear everyone? Just remember this simple rule and you will be all set to do it. Yes, we can use associative property. Yes, you can use that also, but just remember that way. Negative number raised to even number, positive. Negative raised to odd number, negative. All right, just remember that way. And for positive, you already know it will be positive only. Okay, now look over here. Now question comes that we solve that, okay, 11 square 2 cube into 5, we did this. But now if I have a number, how can I write it in exponential form? How can I write it in exponential form? If I give you a number, I tell you write this in exponents. How will you do that? Let's try to do. Okay, so guys, every one of you know what is prime factorization? Everyone knows what is prime factorization, or shall I explain what is that? Tell me. If you want to revise it, I'll revise it for you. Or shall we do? Prime factorization, everyone says that? Yeah, LCM, yes, okay. So I guess all of you know this, right? So you guys tell me. Consider you have a number 64. Okay, I will give you 64. Now you have to prime factorize it and find the expanded form. Yes. Okay, very good. Yeah. So you have to find the factorization of 64. Is it A or is it B? Try to do that. Okay, try to do this. Okay. What is the expanded form of 64? How will you do? By doing the prime factorization, LCM, whatever you do. Like this way, then take 2, then you will take 2, what will you get? 32. That way, try to do it. Okay. I'm going to give you for this question, I'm giving you, let's say, 20 seconds I'm going to give. Okay. 20 seconds I'm giving. Try to find the answer. 64. What will be the expanded form of 64? Try to do it. A or B. Okay, 10 seconds I'm giving. 10 seconds, just prime factorize it. I hope you guys already did the prime factorization in your books, correct? So let's, so here you see, okay, Yuvraj says it's, Yuvraj says it's, no, you do not have any other. Yes, if you do 2 into 2 into 2 and that will take a lot of time, but you can do the LCM method. So let's try with the LCM. Let me erase this. Okay, I am getting the answer as, Nilesh, can you see A or B? Okay, you wanted B. Okay, let's try to prime factor 64. 2 table, 2 is the nearest factor, prime factor. So what will I do? 2, 3, and 2, 32. One more 2 will come over here, isn't it? Is it, Deepa? Is it breaking for everyone? Is my voice breaking for everyone? Please confirm in the chat box, students. Is it breaking for everyone? So let me continue. 32 divided by 2, 16. Okay. Again 2, you will get 8. Again 2, you will get 4. And again 2 you will take here, you will get 2, and again 2 and 1. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 6 2's are there. Yeah. Yes. All right. Fine. Fine. I hope it is fine now. Okay. My voice is fine now, right? Yeah. All right. Yes. Very good. Very good. Half of you people gave the answer already. 2 raised to 6. Very good. So we get the answer is 2 into 2 into 2. I mean 2 multiplied 6 times. Okay. So this is how you do the prime factorization, isn't it? Now you look over here. So we can say that 64 is nothing but 2 raised to 6. Because when we prime factorize it, I'm getting 2 how many times? 6 times. So it will be 2 to the power 6, or you can say it 64 is the sixth power of 2. Anyway, you can say it's just the same thing. Alright. So what can we take? What is the takeaway from here? The takeaway is that whenever you have a number and you have to find the that thing, you have to find the exponential form, so you have to do the prime factorization. What are you going to do? You are going to do the prime factorization, and with that you will get the answer. Okay, clear? So that is all about our today's session. Now let's quickly solve some questions, and then we are going to do the Menti quiz. Okay, so let's solve a few questions. Okay, you guys are going to do it, then we'll go towards the Menti quiz. All right, so let's get started. Question number 1: express 128 in exponential form. 128. Take the LCM. Take the LCM. What are numbers are repeating? Write it over there. Okay, I'm waiting for this question. Let's give you 1 minute. 1 minute is more than sufficient, right? I'm going to give you 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, and the question is 128. I'll write in the chat box also. 128. That you have to factorize that. Okay, so I'm starting at 60 seconds now. 1 minute you have. Try to solve it. 128 you have to prime factorize it. Okay, and find the exponent for that. And tell me, let's see who will get the first answer. Let's see who gets the first answer for this question. 128, the prime factors of it, what are they? I mean, just write it in exponent form, right? Okay, half a minute over, 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds, yeah. Okay. Okay, Yuvraj said that 20. Yuvraj, can you just send me the exponent form? Send me the exponent form, okay? 25 into 2 into 20. Okay. Just send me the exponent form. Okay. So we have 10 more seconds remaining. Easy question it was, right? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Yuvraj, you said 2 raised to 7. Why? That's actually not possible. Okay. Let me solve it. Okay. Let me solve. If I guess it was confusing for you guys, let me solve it. 2 square into 25. 2 to the power of 7. Okay. Okay, this is a confusing question, I guess, because I've got all different answers. Yuvraj is 2 raised to 7 by 8. 2 raised to 7. I'm getting different, so let's solve it. Let's solve it. First, I'll take 2. I will get here 64. Correct? Then again a 2. I will get here 32. Isn't it? Then again a 2. I will get here 16, correct? Again, one more 2, I will get 8. Then 2, I'll get 4. Again, a 2, I will get again one more 2, and 2 will give me 1. So, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, yes, 2 raised to 7 is the answer. So, who gave 2 raised to 7? Yes, Nilesh gave the right answer, that is 2 raised to 7. Yeah. So 2 raised to 7 is the 2 raised to 7 is the right answer. 2 raised to 7 is the right answer over here. That is 128. All right. Look over here. You have to prime factorize it, and you will get the answer. All right. Let's move towards the next question. Next question says that express 432 as a product of their prime factors. Okay, means you have to factorize 432. So okay, 432 that is given to you. Prime factorize it. Okay, prime factor again. How much time shall we give? Let's give you 80 seconds. Let's give 80 seconds. Okay, 80 seconds I'm giving this time. Okay, 80 seconds I've given, and the question is 432. Okay, I've written in the chat box 432. Try to prime factorize it now. All right, do the factorization. I've given you sufficient, and this much time you should do it. You should do it. Okay, it's easy now. I explained you how to do it, right? Now do it. Okay, 1 minute is over. Let's see again who gives the first right answer. Okay, 45 seconds. Do. 30 more seconds remaining. Okay, we got the first answer from Yuvraj, that is 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3. Okay, fine. Let's see. Let everyone give answer, then I'll solve it and explain. Okay, 15 seconds. I got only one answer till now. 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube. That's the answer Yuvraj gave. Others, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up. Let's solve the question now. Okay, let's solve. I got Yuvraj's answer. Let's check if it's correct or not. So what we are going to take? We are going to take here 2. Okay, that's the nearest factor. So what we are going to do, 432 divided by 2. That gives us 216. Correct. Let me draw this line a little bit longer. 216 again divided by 2. That gives me 108. Alright. Again I can divide it by 2. That will give me 54. Again, let's divide it by 2 one more time. We will get here 27. Now, 27 doesn't comes in 2 stable. It doesn't come in 2 stable. That means we have to take 3 now. So 3, then 3, how much are 9s are? Again a 3. How much? 3 3s are, and one more 3, 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Wait, before that, Nilesh is 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 3. Okay, let's see that the same answer Yuvraj also gave. Let's check. How many 2s are there? 2 into 3. Now power we have to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 raised to 4, and 1, 2, 3. 3 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube is the right answer. So yes, Nilesh, yes, Yuvraj, both of you gave the correct answers. That is the 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 3. That is the right answer. Okay, this is how you have to do the prime factors. All right, now students, everyone ready for the quiz? I have put there easy, very super easy questions I have put there. Okay, and if any long question, I've given you the time also. Okay, so everyone ready for the quiz? Ready for quiz? Tell me right now, fast. Yes, yes, no, tell me. Everyone ready for the quiz? Tell me so that we can immediately begin with our Menti quiz. Right? I hope all of you know where you have to go Menti quiz and all. Exercise 20. What you wrote exercise 20? I didn't get you. Okay. All right. Let's do it then. So yes, here is your, you know what you have to do. You have to go to menti.com, type on your browser menti.com and enter the code 81768473. Okay. Enter, yeah, I'll say. Exercise 13.1. Yes, you want a video on that, Yuvraj? Exercise 13.1. If you want, I'll make that. No problem. Just tell me. And 8473. This is the code. Okay, students. Yeah, I'm sending the link. 1 minute. 81768473 is the code. Now time for the link. Okay, I'll send you the link also. Yeah, correct. Yeah, see, Yuvraj also have sent it. You can use that. All right. I will come back over here and here we will. Okay. All right. Yes, students have shared the link. Everyone can join. You guys can join. I've shared the link. Hmm. I've shared. Okay, I can see 2 of you have joined. All right. Yes, 2 have joined. Anyone if wants the code, even I have sent, Yuvraj also sent it, 8176 8473, that's the code. Okay, and you can join that. All right, let me move ahead. How many are there? Okay, everyone, I can see 4 have joined, 5. I can see there's 7 people in 7, 8. How much? 7 to 8 people are there. Everyone join it fast. Okay, yes, 5 have joined. Everyone joined, then we'll start. Okay, we'll start after everyone joins. Okay, let's wait for 20 more seconds. Okay, 20 more seconds, then we'll start. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So if anyone did not join, so you all guys can join it. All right, and now we will start with the Menti quiz. All right, so question number 1 on your screens now. Simplify 2 into 10 raised to 3. In case you cannot see what is written, so it is 2 into 10 raised to 3. That is what it's written. Okay, so 2 into 10 raised to 3, you have to find out. Try to do it. We will also do it together. 10 raised to 3 is how much? 10 into 10 into 10, isn't it? 10 into 10 into 10, what is that? 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. So 1000. Okay, then 2 into 1000, that means 2000 is the right answer. So option A is right. 5 people have already answered it. Others also do it first. So we found out what is 10 cube and multiplied it by 2 also. So answer is 2000. Everyone mark it quickly. Okay, 10 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so time's up. Let's see how many give the right. Okay, all right, 90% give the right answer, that is 2000. So 2000 is the right answer given by 90% of the people. All right, okay, fine. Okay, fine, Deepa, I won't say that answer. All right, I won't say it, no problem. Okay, let's move to the next question then. So next question, question number 2. Let us start now. All right, so the question says find the value of minus 4 cube. If you cannot see, I'll write it here. Minus 4 raised to 3. Okay, minus 4 cube. This is an easy question. This is very easy question. Nothing you have to, just do simple multiplication. Just take care of the sign. Take care of the sign. The power is an odd number. Power is odd number. If power is odd, what will be answer? Negative or positive? And then find the value of 4 cube and put the sign accordingly. Okay. 5 people have already answered. Whoever is remaining, answer that also quickly. Then we'll move towards the next part. Okay. All right. Okay. 50. Okay, everyone answered. And the right answer, okay, again, 90%. All right, good, Yuvraj. That's good to hear. Okay, so yes, the answer is minus 64. How? Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 you have to do. The 4 into 4 is 16. Correct. 16 into 4 is 64, but the sign will be negative. So we got the answer as minus 64. Okay, that's the right answer. All right, let's move ahead. Question number 3 on your screens now. So let's see what's the question number 3 here. Question number 3 is express 3125 in the exponential form. So here you see I cannot type the power in the Menti quiz. I have written 5, the arrow 5. So that means 5 raised to 5. Okay, this means this is 5 raised to 5. This is 5 raised to 4. This is 5 square into 5 square. And this is 5 square into 2. Okay, just in case you cannot understand. So that arrow, after the arrow the numbers written, that is power. All right, so try to do that. I've given sufficient time. I give you like approximately 2 minutes because I know that you have to do prime factorization and everything. So yes, take your time and do it, no problem. I guess five we already answered, so let's do it together. Okay, so 3-1-2. Okay, everyone voted. Oh. Mixed answers we have. Everyone gave just to gave the answer randomly. Random answers it is. Okay, let's try to solve it. 3-1-2-5. Now we have to take 5 only because 5 is the nearest factor. Correct. So 3-1-2-5 divided by 5 gives us 625. Correct. 625. Again, divide that by 5 only, you will get 125. Again, divide that by 5, you will get 25. Then again divided by 5, you will get 5. And again one more 5, you will get 1. So how many 5s are there? How many 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 raised to 5 was the right answer. My sister said in class in. Ah, okay, Yuvraj, fine. Tell your sister also to subscribe to our other channel. What is it? Tuition, tuition masters class ninth and 10th channel. We are uploading all the videos of class ninth over there. All right. So yes, this was the answer 5 raised to 5. Okay, I hope she has subscribed to the other channel, right? Okay. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 on your screens now. 243 in exponential form. A small number, 3-digit number. Try to do it. It's easy now. That's easy. 243. Prime factorize it. 243. Find the nearest number. 2, 1 is not possible. 1, it is possible, you do not take it. 2 is not possible. Then check for 3. Is it possible? Yes, it is. And okay, let me also solve it. 2 243 divided by we'll take 3 now. Okay, so 243 divided by 3, that gives us 81. Okay, 81, again I can do it by 3. I'll get 20, oh sorry, 3 and 27. Very good. 3 people right, remaining 3 wrong. 50-50 we got over here. Okay, I'm solving it, no problem. So we get 27, again a 3, we will get 9. One more 3 will get 3, and one more 3 we will get 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple. 3 raised to 5 is your answer. It's not difficult. I don't understand what is confusing everyone here. So the answer is 3 raised to 5. Simple. All right. So okay, let's see the last question, and then we will see who is topping the leaderboard, who is the topper of the class. So let's move towards question number 5 on your screens right now. In 34 raised to 5, what is the base? That is the easiest question. Oh my god, if I do not get 100% yet, I'm super angry now. I'm super sad and angry if you do not give the right answer. Yuvraj, I usually use Google Slides. Oh my god. Google Slides and PowerPoint I use. Alright. Very good. Who gave this answer? Who gave the answer? None of these. Everyone, a round applause for none of these. 34 and 34 raised to 5, there is no base only. Well, no base is present in there. It is like no base, no power, nothing is there in it. What is this? Obviously, the right answer was how much? It was 34, right? Yes, 34 is the right answer. Why? Who gave that answer? Okay, so let's check. No problem. Maybe it could be a misclick, I believe. Let's check our leaderboard. So first we have Yuvraj, Kevin, then we have Nitin, Nandini, Nilesh, and Clippy. Congratulations, Yuvraj, you're the fastest and first. Then we have Kevin, we have Nitin, then we have okay, the name head up, and then we have Nilesh. Congratulations. Okay, yeah, very good, very good. Okay, Nandini. Okay, who are the people? Let me check it again. Yeah, all right. So yes, very good. Yuvraj on the top. Then we have Kevin. Then Nitin. Then we have Nandini. Then we have Nilesh and Clippy. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, guys. You okay, but fine, Deepa. That's good. You still managed to score the third rank. You did the mind calculus. That's very good. So yes, students, with that we have completed with our today's session. Already we learned what are exponents. In our next session, we're going to study the laws of exponents and the standard form. So make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. We even have our class 9 channel, right? We have our class 9 channel also, tuition masters class 9th and 10th channel, right? If make sure to subscribe there, also tell your siblings also to subscribe there, and I'll be seeing you very soon in the next video next week. Till then, take care and goodbye. And if you want any other videos, okay, any other videos you want, you can comment it down. All right, so yes, bye Deepa, bye Kevin, bye Nilesh, bye everyone. Thank you so much. Goodbye to all of you. Take care. Happy weekends. Bye bye.